How to use military discount on Amazon. Amazon doesn't offer a year-round military discount, but they have sometimes offered a discount around Veterans Day. Veterans Day discount. Amazon has offered a 20% discount on select items for Veterans Day, including apparel and accessories and home and garden. This discount is available to active duty, retirees, veterans, and Reserve National Guard members. No military ID is required. Amazon Prime Promotion. Amazon has sometimes offered a promotion where eligible members could sign up for Prime at a discount rate for the first year. To be eligible, you had to be a verified US veteran, active duty or reserve or National Guard member. Online military discounts offer require verification which can be done by submitting proof of service directly using third-party services such as ID.me or ShareID. You can stay up to date on military discount by subscribing to this website.